Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I am Rusty Calf. I don't know if that's why they're cheering. Hey, it's Nathan Chen. Nathan, congratulations on the gold medal here. Do you just have a pile at home that you throw them on, or what?
No, they're all, yeah, actually, that's true.
So I could talk to you about your world championships, winning here. My favorite thing that I've seen from you this week was earlier this morning, you were sitting at a table doing homework. Take me through that a little bit.
I mean, there's not much to say. I just had to get some work done. I have class tomorrow, so that's how things are right now.
And if, as much as I have loved you for everything that you have done over the years as a skater, it's that kind of dedication above and beyond that. Tell us a little bit about your show program, what we're going to see.
The song is called Next to Me. It's a fun piece that I actually choreographed myself a couple years back, so here it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. 2019 Skate America champion, Nathan Chen.
As a kid, they told me love was made up, but I used to tell them they were wrong. 'Cause the blue dot girl made me wake up, still right by me in this song. I stood there counting every heartbeat, thinking about the words to say. Try not to understand that feeling, but would it ever go away? Now those were the days before you had to go away. Now I'm dancing by myself out in the rain. Now it's getting rather cold, and I just wanted you to know that if my dreams were dancing next to me, next to me. You told me we would be forever, but maybe we were just too young. I wonder if you still remember when we were dancing in the sun. Now those were the days before you had to go away. Now I'm dancing by myself out in the rain. Now it's getting rather cold, and I just wanted you to know that if my dreams will ever be, will you come dancing next to me, next to me? Next to me.
Two-time world champion, now three-time Skate America gold medalist from the United States, Nathan Chen. Put your hands together for all the performers from our Skating Spectacular, the 2019 Skate America.